would like to say thank you for coming to our video.
My name is Dayu.
My name is Fadil.
My name is Fazle Akbar Hafidhi.
My name is Dwiki Leo Mahendra.
And at this video, we will show you how to make a cup of tea without lingering any longer.
Just get into the procedure.
Prepare tools and materials: tea bag, hot water, sugar, cup, saucer, and spoon.
Boil the water until it boils. Take a cup and put a bag of tea in it.
Add a little sugar. After the water boils, pour the water into the cup.
Stir until the sugar dissolves with water. A glass of warm sweet tea ready to be served.